Hi, this is Rajiv from Home of Math. By this video, we are going to solve some math about cubic polynomial expression. Let's start. As we know, the factorization of the sum of cubic expression, we can write, look, here is two things. One is sum of two cubic expressions, like we can write a cube plus b cube. It means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is a formula. By this formula, we will solve these three maths. Let's start. First, number 1, here is 8x cube plus 27y cube. What we will do? Look, here is 8x cube. We can write 2x cube. It means this is a cube. Plus, here is 27y cube. For 27, we can write 3 and y. This is y and whole cube. So it means 3 cube means 27, y cube means y cube. So look, this is a cube and this is b cube. So we can write a plus b. A plus b means 2x plus b. B means 3y. Okay. Then what we will do? Here is a square. A square means 2x square. Then minus, we can write minus. Then a means 2x. Then b means into 3y plus b square. B square means 3y square. Okay. Now look, here is 2x plus 3y, and here is 2 square means 4x square means x square minus 3 multiply 2, it means 6, and here is xy plus 3 square means 9, y square means y square. So this is the answer. Very short way we can solve the answer. Very short way we solve our problem. Let's second one, which is x cube plus 1 divided x cube. So this is number 2, x cube plus 1 divided x cubes. So formula is same, which is a cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here is a means x. So we can write first a plus b. A means x and b means 1 by x. Then here is a square means x square minus minus. Then a means x, b means 1 by x plus b square minus 1 by x square. So here is x divided x cross. So answer will be x plus 1 by x and into x square plus 1 by x square. That's it. Now third one, this is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 9. So here is 3x. Again we can see x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 9. Let's check again. 3x square 3x plus 9, 3x square 3x plus 9. This one we can solve very easily, like here is x cube and here is 3x square and here is 3x, here is plus 9. So if we make common 3x square, here is x square and here is x cube. It means we can common x square. So we can write here x plus 3. Look, x cube divided x square. It means cross cross only x. So here is x and here is plus 3. And here if we common 3, so remaining things is x, and 9 divided 3 means 3. So look, if we make common x plus 3 and here is x plus 3, so x plus 3 into here is x square plus 3. This is the answer. Very easy way we can solve our cubic expressions. So next video we will solve another algebraic expressions. So bye bye.